Hi, I'm Bill McMaster, President of Simple Bath. Today we're going to talk about the materials that you want to put in your bathroom. Most people are familiar with ceramic or porcelain tile around their shower or tub. At Simple Bath, we actually like to use wall panels for several reasons. The first reason is that wall panels don't have any grout. Therefore, they're significantly easier to clean and they last a lot longer than traditional porcelain or ceramic tile. The second reason that we really like wall panels are the warranty that the manufacturers provide. Most tile manufacturers do not provide any warranty for their product, whereas our wall panels are warranted by the manufacturer from anywhere from 15 years to forever. One of the other benefits is speed and cleanliness. We can tear out a tile shower all the way down to the studs and give you a brand new shower in as little as 1 day. And when you invest in a bathroom remodel, you want it to last for decades. That's why at Simple Bath, we use material with timeless design. For more design inspiration, give us a call to have a Simple Bath design consultant out to your home or stop by our showroom in Worthington. We're Simple Bath because it's simple for you.